Peace, 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 peace. Welcome to Hip Hop News Daily for the Poll. We're about to watch this news about this lady. You know what I mean? She go to the mall, to buy some things, and she decide to steal, a grass cutter, a big one. She decided to put it in her pants, So she forgot that there is camera surrounding anywhere that you see, like shopping mall or anything. But the camera is watching all our action. So without me just talking and don't let you see it, let's watch it together, man. So, okay. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Ho 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 ho! This time she got a big one. Too big, huh? Nah. Too big for. What you wanna do? She try to put it in her ass. When the thing go on, it's gonna be like, he got me in my ass. She will just tell them like I'm pregnant from the back. What? Thank you for watching, man. But that's the end of the video. But she's acting a fool in front of the shops. And inside the shops, they already know that this is... Put eyes on that lady. That white lady going right there. Put eyes on her. She about to steal something. She always came in here and steal some. But the camera have been following her. She didn't realize that. But anyhow, thank you for watching. This is Hip Hop News Daily 44. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, because this is your channel. We go get video after video after video after video after video. Thank you for watching, and this is Hip Hop News Daily 44 HND. Bye. I'm gone.